Hello and welcome. So today we'll be trading something different. I'll be introducing the Delta Exchange crypto options trading platform, which is currently the best among several crypto exchange platforms. Crypto options is quite different from binary options, and I'll explain why as we go on. In the video, I'll cover on how to navigate the Delta Exchange user interface, what is call and put options in crypto options trading, what is margin in crypto options trading, what is leverage in crypto options, what is expiry date in crypto options, and how to deposit in Delta Exchange platform. We'll take one trade after analyzing the market with the support and resistance, then we'll assess the trade. To open an account with Delta Exchange platform, click the link in the description below, paste it in your browser and follow the steps as instructed. It only takes less than 2 minutes and you'll be done. To increase your withdrawal limit, you can verify your account by clicking on this Get Verified button, upload a government ID or passport, and proof of address as shown below. First of all, we need to understand the difference between crypto options and binary options for us to be able to trade well. So in binary options, when you do a put option, you need to close the trade at the right moment considering the specific market movement. So on the other hand, trading crypto options on an exchange platform in a traditional way is quite simple as it involves buying a crypto asset like USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, etc. when the price is low and selling when it's high. The profit earned represents the difference between the cost price of the assets and the price when it is sold. So that's one of the difference between crypto options and binary options. So the second difference is that when it comes to binary options, we have a predetermined payout like you usually see in the IQ option. We have 85%, 90%, 70%, etc. So it's either you win or lose all your stake, but it's so different with crypto options. In crypto options, profit vary depending with the asset direction movement, and stop loss or take profit can be applied. So unlike in binary options, where you don't have any other choice to put a stop loss or a take profit. So you either lose all your money or you win with the percentage payout that is given. So the third difference is that common crypto trading option is much more flexible than binary options trading. This is because you can enter or exit the market according to your wish and judgment of the price and market movements. So contrary to binary options, you will not have that flexibility. You will only be able to leave the market or your position till the time the predefined date for the derivative expires. And mostly in binary options, we usually trade with the 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes time frame. So till the 1 minute has expired or 5 minutes has expired, that's when you can leave the market. So up to this point, we now understand the differences between the two. Though I'll keep explaining more on crypto options trading, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a video. So if you are interested to be trading the crypto options, I'll make a series of videos so you can follow up and make the trades with me. So let's familiarize ourselves with this trading platform. When you go to the homepage, you can see we have a 30,000 trading bonus. To know more about this trading bonus, you can just click on that link. So when you deposit more than 100 USDT, you get 10% trading bonus, and the bonus is up to $500. When you deposit more than 5,000 USDT, you get 20% bonus, and the bonus is up to $10,000. When you deposit more than 50,000 USDT, you get 30% bonus, and the bonus is up to $30,000. So that's about the bonus policy, and you can also read more about it on this section. So when you go back, you can scroll down and get the market overview. So here you just get information about the market, be it the option or the futures, so that you can make a trading decision. And when you scroll more down, we have a question and answer area. So here you can find answers to common questions, and you can learn more about the cryptocurrency trading. So you can also follow their socials through these links down here for you to be updated about the company or about anything new regarding cryptocurrency trading on the same website. So that's just an overview of the website. So we can check on what is being offered. When we check the markets, we can see we have the futures, the options, spot, move, and spreads. So this is what you can trade in the market, and it's also in this drop down. You can see what you can trade is the futures, the spot, and the move. You can also get the calendar spreads when you click in this link, and also the interest rate swaps when you click on that link. We also have options that you can trade. When you click on that drop down, we have these coins that you can trade in their option platform. You can trade the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Solana, the Binance, XRP, Link, AVAX, and Matic. So those are the coins that you can trade. When you want to view the charts instead of the prices, you can just click on that area. And this chart is from TradingView. So you can get a good chart because TradingView is a good platform. So from that area, when you go on this side, we have the order book. On this order book area, we can see the sell options on this upper side and the call options on this lower side. So these two areas represents the sell and call option prices. When you go on this other side, you can make a buy or sell depending with your strategy and your analysis. You can use the limit price, or you can just use the market price. You can click on that area to use the market price or a conditional price. So you can choose between these 5 options depending on your analysis. When you click on the sell button, it's just the same. Up here we have the leverage. We have 1 up to 100. So what is leverage in crypto trading? To put it in simple terms, it's like borrowed money. Take an example of a mortgage. Let's say you want to buy a house worth 400,000 US dollars. You can make a down payment of 100,000 and then borrow 300,000 from the bank and pay the interest for the loan. That's like leverage. And in stock market, it works the same. Even in cryptocurrency, it works the same. I'll advise you to choose between 10 to 25%, especially if you have a small account. And you need to understand that leverage is a double-edged sword. You can make more profit with the higher leverage, but at the same time, with the higher leverage, you can make more losses. So in crypto trading, we have what we call margin trading. Crypto margin trading, in simple terms, allow opening a trading position with leverage by borrowing funds from the exchange. For example, if we opened a Bitcoin margin position with the 2 times leverage and Bitcoin had increased by 10%, then our position would have given us a profit of 20% because of the 2 times leverage. But with no leverage, it could have just been 10% return on investment. You just need to consider 3 things when you are starting to trade the cryptocurrency options. First of all, consider your leverage, your margin, and your expiry date. Because with your expiry date, that's when you understand how your contracts are expiring, when to get out of the market, when to take your profit, or when to reduce your losses. So let's learn how to deposit into our account. Just click on deposit and you will be redirected to this area. So from this area, you can select the coin that you want to deposit. Currently, we can deposit the Bitcoin, USDT, DETO, Ethereum, and XRP. For you to deposit the USDT, you can choose between these 2 networks. You need to make sure that you are depositing the right crypto to the right address. With these 2 networks, This ERC network is quite expensive. I'll advise you to choose the BEP network, which is a Binance network. So if you have a Binance account, you can use this because the deposit charges is around 1 USDT. So that's a bit fair than the ERC20 network. To deposit, just click on the network. For this demonstration, I'll be using Binance. So I'll click on that and copy the address. So when you copy the address, you paste it on your Binance account or wallet, then you can deposit from there. You can deposit XRP in your account, but you need to put the memo when you are depositing. So I'll demonstrate on this. And in this case, if you have little investment or less investment, I'll advise you to use the XRP depositing method because XRP coin is quite cheap when you are transacting between these two exchanges. Just remember to tag the memo. If I can copy this address, I go to my Binance wallet, I withdraw. Let's say I want to deposit some XRP in my account. I go here, I choose the coin. So after choosing the coin, I paste my address there. Then I confirm. We need this memo. To get this memo, go back, copy the memo, then paste it in your Binance account. And now you can choose the amount you want to deposit from your Binance. So that's how to deposit the XRP coin. So you need to be very careful not to forget pasting the memo in your wallet. So that's about depositing in your account. So I'll take one trade. I'll go to the market and find a pair to trade. We'll use our usual strategy of support and resistance. So I'll choose Bitcoin USDT pair. So I'll use 15 minutes time frame. We can see the Bitcoin USDT is on a support level. So this is our support area. You can see a very strong rejection from the same level. So we expect the market to move more up from this point. And I'll be trading with the 15 minutes time frame. So from this area, you can see several rejections. So I'll use the market price. I'll make sure you check on your leverage, which is so I'll use 200 contracts for me to take my trade. So my stop loss will be around 37,200. So you go to advanced, put your stop loss to I can put 37,230. 37,230. My take profit can put around 37,950. 37,950. That's my take profit. So at the end of the day, if this trade goes my way, I'll be having 86 USDT in my account. So I set the bracket and my margin is around 300 USDT. So I'll take my trade. I've taken my trade with the market price. So the higher your trading quantity, the higher your margin. So it depends with your account. So I can see a trend line, a downward trend line at this place. So I expect my take profit to be around here. On that trend line. So that will be a good position to take my profits. And on the same area, we have a resistance level. You can see this is our resistance area. So that's where I expect to take my profit. So I'll review this trade in the next video and I'll show you the results of the trade.